In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Excel. Whether you're marking up a report, circling key figures, or sketching a quick idea during a meeting, Excel's built-in drawing tools make it easy to add visual notes right on your worksheet. I'll walk you through the essentials so you can start annotating confidently without disrupting your data. First, look toward the top of your Excel window for the ribbon where all your tabs live. Find the one labeled Draw and click it. This switches Excel into drawing mode and reveals pens, highlighters, and other inking tools designed for freehand marks. If you're on a device with a touchscreen or stylus, you'll be able to write naturally. A mouse or trackpad works just fine too. After you click Draw, you'll see options to choose a pen style, thickness, and color. Pick something that will stand out against your cells. Bold colors are great for emphasis, while lighter colors are helpful for subtle notes. Don't worry about committing to a choice. You can always switch tools as you go. Think of this step as setting yourself up the way you would arrange markers before you sketch on a whiteboard. Next, click on the part of your worksheet where you want to draw. Position your pointer or stylus over the exact area you want to annotate. Then click, hold, and drag to write or sketch. Release to finish a stroke, and repeat as needed. You're drawing on a layer above the cells, so your ink won't overwrite formulas or values. This means you can circle totals, underline headers, draw arrows to trends, or add quick handwritten notes without changing the underlying data. If you want cleaner lines, zoom in a bit for precision. If you're emphasizing a broad area, zooming out can help you see the bigger picture as you draw. And if something doesn't look right, use undo to step back instantly and try again. A few quick tips to keep things neat and useful. Choose thicker strokes for headings and arrows, thinner strokes for detailed notes, and use contrasting colors so your annotations are easy to see when printed or shared. If you need to remove part of a mark, select the eraser on the Draw tab and swipe over just the section you want gone. When you're satisfied, your drawings stay with the sheet, so anyone opening the file can see your annotations clearly. That's all you need to start drawing in Excel. Click Draw, then click where you want to draw. Try it on a sample sheet and build your confidence with a few simple marks.